Yeah, guys, welcome to welcome. So hi guys, welcome to Oeuvretrends. Welcome back to our channel. So today, we're just gonna have a short review lang dun sa bagong product na na-discover namin. I don't know if you notice sa YouTube, in the US, may mga lumalabas na mga bagong set of brushes, and they are called the Artis brushes, or in MAC merong bagong labas na brush ngayon which they call the Masterclass brush set. But meron akong nakitang isang klaseng brush na medyo hawig doon sa product na yun, which I'm going to show you. And this is from ETUDE House. I don't know if you can see it, but so this brush, it comes with another parang another set of, not really brush, but it's a sponge. So this is how it looks like. It looks like a regular toothbrush. You can even put it on your teeth. I don't know. You can just dun sa mga reviews na nakita ko from other brushes like Artis brushes and Masterclass brushes from MAC. I don't know, pero kasi yung fibers ata na ginagamit nila for this type of brushes is different. May sinasabi sila na it's a parang microfiber. I'm not sure because but I'm gonna link it down on the info box below. There's sa mga links ng mga videos. So when I saw that one, sabi ko, since wala pa naman dito sa Philippines noon, so I decided to, and then one time nagpunta ako sa mall and then just look around because I was looking for a facial mist setting spray. Eh wala akong makita. So kakahanap ko, napunta ako sa ETUDE House. Ito nga, nakita ko siya. And I don't know if you can see it. So ayan ang itsura niya. So yung bristles niya, very very fine. The good thing about this product is nare-remove siya. So if you want to change the head, you can also have this sponge. Pero I haven't used this one yet. The sponge, I think, is for concealing, or if you're gonna use it for baking. I'm gonna try this one, pero I'm not sure eh. Pero so far, yeah, this one is made of plastic. Pero yung style niya, it's almost same like Artis brush, and also same as dun sa MAC, yung sa Masterclass brush niya. So I'm gonna show you how I use this brush. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use this one. Okay. So ipe-prep ko muna yung face ko. Hold on. So I've already prepped my face. I use this SK2. Ayan, yung SK2 favorite ko talaga. Ito yung Cell Illumination or Essence. And then I did my usual skincare routine. Tapos, I use this one, my favorite baby skin pore eraser kasi I have big pores. For my foundation, I'm still gonna use my BYS in Warm Match. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do half of my face. Half of my face, I'm gonna use this brush. And then half of my face, I'm gonna use this, my favorite flat top brush. So just to know the difference. So what I like about this flat top brush is may control kasi ako may control ako sa pressure, tapos yung direction. Ito yung gusto ko sa kanya. Actually, aalis ako ngayon, so I also did this tutorial para isang lakaran na rin. I have a gig tonight, meron akong event. So now I'm gonna do the other side of my face and I'm gonna use this one. ano nabili ko to, I think it's for 800. Pero I went for it because I was so curious about this because this is the first time that I've seen this one. And yun nga, nung nakita ko yun sa YouTube video, sabi ko, I'll give it a shot. Ayan, pag nakita mo, hindi pumapasok sa ilalim ng brush yung product. Kasi ibabaw lang siya. So let's see the difference. So, may napapansin ba kayo guys? Ay, ewan ko kung nakakita nyo. I'm just gonna give you a quick zoom. So, ito yung side na ginamitan ko nung sa ETUDE House. Medyo minimal na yung ano tawag dito? Yung pores. This is the one on the side. Although wala naman ganun masyadong difference. Pero dito mas bigger pa yung pores. So, ito yung side na to na ginamitan ko na itong brush na to. Mahirap lang yung grip niya kasi manipis. Ito, manipis yung ganito niya. So, hindi nyo masyadong hindi nyo siya masyadong ma-appreciate. So, mahirap nag-glide. Tsaka yung direction mahirap. Unlike doon sa usual foundation brush nyo na flat top brush na makokontrol nyo yung pressure. Ito, controllable naman. Kaya lang mahirap kasi gumaganon siya. Sumaslide. Dito naman sa kabila, yung difference niya, kita dito yung mga yung mga pores niya, maliliit na pores. Dito, hindi na masyadong kita. Yun lang naman yung nakikita ko. Pero, pag tinignan mo sa malayo, parang wala. Parang pareho lang. Ito, napansin nyo, medyo glowy na siya, shiny. Itong kabila, hindi masyado. I don't know, pero I like this brush. You see? Ayun nyo yung shine. Itong shine na to. On the side. Napunta lahat ng product na dito sa ilalim. Wala dito. Ito kasi masyado siyang condensed. Pero condensed kasi ito masyado. So, yung product hindi siya napupunta sa ilalim. Unlike here, sa brush na ganito, pumapasok siya sa ilalim. So, yung quality ng product, hindi ganun ka swate. So, I'm gonna continue doing this. The whole face, I'm gonna use this one. So, I hope you guys kung bibili kayo, at least you've seen how it works and how I did this. So, gusto ko siya. Yun nga lang, medyo mahirap yung grip kasi madulas. Lalo na pag nag-primer ako. Or naglagay ako ng yun nga, yung baby skin medyo madulas. So, gumagal. Yeah. So, that's my review for my beauty tool brush 1-to-1 skin. Tatapusin ko lang yung ayos ko, then diretso na ako, aalis na rin ako after. Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Ayan, ito na yung final look ko for today. After this, diretso na ako sa event. So, I hope you guys like my review on the brush 1-to-1 set from ETUDE House. So far, okay naman siya. In compare doon sa flat top brush from na usual kong ginagamit. I think mas better itong brush 1-to-1 set. Yun nga lang, mahirap lang talaga siya i-glide at saka kumbaga i-direct kasi masyadong manipis yung gitna. Pero yung head niya, yung brush niya, yung bristles niya, mas better compared to sa usual kong ginagamit na brush. So if you like the product, you can purchase it at ETUDE House for around 800. And again, if you want to watch some of our videos, you can catch us every Fridays at 8:30 p.m. So I hope to see you guys on our next video. Enjoy your night and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Kung ano yung routine ko dito sa bahay. With Skylar at saka with Jhette. Ayan, si Jhette tulog pa siya. Kasi 5